Это центр Дуня. Здесь у нас проводятся оздоровительные процедуры и также встречи, духовные встречи для женщин, для сестер и для братьев. У вас здесь еще массаж, я вижу, есть, да? Различные виды массажа, комплексные оздоровительные программы. Да. Для мужчин и женщин? Да, для братьев и сестер и все касаемо с растительным питанием и сунны. Травяное лечение. Термотерапевтическая кровать называется в общем комплекс термотерапевтический, который прорабатывает спину, мышцы спины с прогревом. Длинный сеанс, 40 минут. И 20-минутный сеанс, это тот, который делается без остановок, без сильного прогрева. Просто-напросто идет ролик вдоль спины и такой мануальный эффект. Выгибается спина и идет прогрев.
الملام كنا سويا دائما واليوم قد فك الخطام اليوم نترككم ولكن صوتكم في الأذن دام صوتكم
Ever hear about the boy who ate and ate and ate? He ate early in the morning and he ate when it was late. But he didn't thank Allah for all the yummy food he had. And he ate so much it made him sick, which really made him sad. He ate dates in Damascus, which he thought were very nice. Hot samosas in Sumatra, seasoned with a special spice. He had tacos in Tijuana with some sauce he got from Spain, and a bowl of fresh baklava that he parted in Bahrain. He had pizza in his pocket, he had ketchup on his shirt, and he bought an ice cream sundae so he wouldn't miss dessert. He had pizza in his pocket, he had ketchup on his shirt, and he bought an ice cream sundae so he wouldn't miss dessert. On a bay in the Bahamas, he had bonbons in a bunch, then he rushed back home so he could make it just in time for lunch. Then one day he saw a little girl who held her tummy tight, and he walked over and asked her, "Is everything alright?" She said she was so hungry, been hungry for so long. Then he realized the way he ate was very, very wrong. He looked down at his own tummy and he started feeling pain. Pain from eating too much food, but he knew not to complain. So he brought the girl some food, shared it with her family. Then they thanked Allah for what they had and then he let them be. So let's try to learn a lesson and let's try to do what's right. Eat the food your parents give you without a fuss or fight. Always be thankful to Allah for all your yummy food. Share what you have with others, cause not sharing is rude. Being thankful is what's really great. Eat the veggies on your plate and don't be like the boy who ate and ate and ate.